Hayi,
Okay,
akukhuni.
so the group that we're talking about EVOG, right? Or naniqale nabanenye phela niba nama stages
Yo,
until you
oh,
find it
yeah.
ukuthi it should be cool.
Yazi-
Mara lena yazi lena. And that time ukhumbula ukuthi there were still ama competition bomakhulekani where kunama contest kuna abanye abazenza abo
Abo-Cisco.
Cisco.
Yeah.
You know, maybe yini nizovula the you do the opening and everything. What was your first name when you decided to form a group, and did you immediately come to the agreement ukuthi hilo baba or nina phikisana kancane about it?
Yo, yazi ukukhula ungahleka. We had crazy ideas ngamagama.
Yeah.
Besidlala ngamagama. Ngiyakhumbula sike saba nabanye amajita omunye mathi uKhaswele. And then bekuKhaswele no omunye mathi uMichael.
Okay.
So besibuzana ukuthi guys so manje amagama since manje sishaya amakhapela into ezifana nalezo. Hey kwaqhuma ilento yama cats.
Okay.
Hey guys, something along the lines of cats. Mina, they used to call me crazy cats. Konjani bebekubiza abantu.
But nonke ningama cats, but
Ama-cats,
mara
there's
the
names, yeah.
crazy cat.
So what was the name of the group? Angisakhumbuka.
Mara amagama wona ngiyakhumbula
Yeah.
mara group yethu yokuqala I won't lie. Egama leli angisalikhumbuli. But amagama wona ngiyakhumbula there was a crazy cat.
Top Cat.
Top cat. No.
For sure bayikhona ne cool cat khona lapho.
Something like yeah,
So
something along those
ningakhe
lines.
groupini
With
na-
a cat.
Cat yona bekhona, yeah.
So ningakhe ku group yenu yokuqala.
C4. Yeah,
Okay.
C4, yeah.
Okay. And then until tina sanazi seni VOG meleni vele.
Voices
Voices
of the Ghetto.
Oh, okay. And then what made you feel ukuthi in West Rand you were different then from other groups?
Into on my side mina
Yeah.
ngasho ngithi into ebengibona ngathi besihluke ngani we were very much special. Style sethu bes different kakhulu because style sethu besi like iraga wise, you understand? And on top of that bekunamanye ama harmonies amnandi ehambisana nawo, you understand?
Yes.
So mina into engayibona the way into besiyenza ngakhona bengithi mangiye mhlambe eJemile ngithi audition uqala uSandile makathi iaudition bekayiphasa
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
even nakuma audition there was a certain room nyana la besibekwa khona
HMA,
yeah understand
guys.
sibekwa khona so if uSandile mangathi makashaya la
Yeah.
so audition
Yeah.
bekuhlanya wonke umuntu
I
you understand
remember.
and then kuzolandela mhlambe
Yeah.
kuze mina yabona yabona so ku West Rand kula ngibone khona ukuthi esikhathini esebhaya makucula kuba nanama concert bekubizwa thina and style sethu abantu bebesihlanyela so yiyo lento bengitshela ukuthi hayi
Sishaya izinto.
yeah
Sishaya izinto.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the question I'm gonna ask me. You have a right not to answer. How did you deal? I mean, being a teenager, you will face obstacles where girls will be crushing on you. Sometimes you don't even. Sometimes you just don't even want to be there. But maybe awufuna umphulla inhliziyo umntana abantu. How did you deal with such in your teen stage where girls will? I mean, girls were girls, you know.
Mina knowing myself sister mina namanje I know myself I'm just a very shy dude. I want my brother I think it's a question ekumele yena answer.
How did you deal with it? I mean, it was 4 guys who are making it, who are putting this one. Are you aware, guys? You did put us on the map.
Of course.
And do you feel that we've given you flowers when enough?
100%.
Yeah.
I mean, I believe so. Support sisitholile kakhulu. Especially mangisengqala manje siya professional.
Yeah.
That's where I saw the love of the people.
Yeah.
Abantu abavotile for mina and then to be chosen amongst thousands and thousands of people. Thousands and thousands of people ukuthi ngizoba part of a group ku Popstars.
Yes.
That's where I saw ukuthi Kaslami Shemlingberg iphezulu. You understand? Yeah.
No. Really good question about girl.
Okay, yeah. No. Yeah, about girl. Eish.
I'm not throwing you under the bus. Okay, because I mean I'm a girl, and I'm saying this because of ukhona engangimcrush egroupini. So that is why I'm asking that. But how did you deal with lababa maybe abanesibindi abazilethayo?
It was difficult.
Yeah.
Because I remember some guys would ask me ukuthi Ntwana mara aware ukuthi labo girl laba bayakufela. I'm like, yeah, I'm aware.
Okay.
So why ubayeka?
Yeah.
Yabo? And then mina I don't know, yes, I did have moments whereby ukula, it's part of
course, that is why I'm carefully saying because of we were young.
Let me not say bengingakhuzeki as such, but I was lapha nalaphaya.
Okay, butopa.
And it used to be it was more like a sport.
Okay.
Emachitini. Yabo ukuthi okay. Bekuntwana uphethe bani yabo. Yeah, until you grow up and then you realize ukuthi son akusafani.
Okay.
Yabo akusafani at the end of the day life ikumele iqhubeke and even if you can have all those people uzobayenza.
Yeah, it iyakhathaza somehow.
Instead uyastressa yabo because manje kumele unake ngapho yabo. So it was hard. I don't want to lie. It was difficult. But yeah, it required ukuthi umuntu abe disciplined. Yabo mawukwazi ukuzidisciplina uyakwazi ukuthi udlule through izinto eziningi ukuthi zinzima. Abantu abaningi today are stuck in some things ukuthi bayenza lawo ma decisions basasebancane. You understand? Bangaka understand ukuthi life yini. And then uthola ukuthi manje umuntu masekakhulile all those decisions sekuyizo manje ezimvimbayo ekutheni mhlambe life yakhe iqhubekele phambili. So ke I think I was fortunate enough ukuthi benginayo leyo discipline yokuthi especially njengoba khuluma ngobushy. Yeah, I'm one of those guys again. I am very shy. So
and mina ngangithi uyazibona Shamzambi. He was the least of my faves. Ngithi lo futhi uyazibona like maniza ukukheni lapha like lo yangibhora bakhona ngithi ayangizwi yangibhora lo.
And a lot of people basho kanjalo bathi ngiyazibona. I think it's
until someone get to know you.
Yeah, it's ilo bushy like bukwenza ube yabo bukufaka under a certain shell nyana yabo.